Welcome to MathLab. Today, you're on your journey to learn more about the language of algebra. Now, what is algebra? Algebra is the branch of mathematics that deal with generalized arithmetic by using letters or symbols to represent numbers. In order to understand the language of algebra, you must understand the meaning of a few fundamental concepts. There are two types of symbols in algebra. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Thus, 3, minus 2, 5 by 8 or 0.6 is a constant. In fact, every number is a constant. A symbol which takes on various numerical values is called a variable or a literal. Variables or literals are denoted by letters like X, Y and Z in lowercase. An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by the symbols plus, minus, into and division. For example, 6x plus 2y minus 3xy is an algebraic expression. The several parts of an algebraic expression separated by the sign plus or minus are called the terms of the expression. Thus, 6x plus 2y minus 3xy has three terms, namely 6x, 2y and minus 3xy. The expression 3xy has only one term. An algebraic expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. When monomials and literals are multiplied to form a product, then each quantity multiplied is called a factor of the product. Today, you're provided with a jar of balls. If you look carefully at each ball, there is a monomial written on it. You're also provided with 5 jars with some literals written on it. The first jar has X, the second jar XY, third XYZ, fourth X square Y and fifth X square Y square. You have to place each jar into the family or jar it belongs to. Remember, two terms having the same literal factors are known as like terms. Terms which do not have the same literal factors are called unlike terms. Thus, 2x and x are like terms, as they have the same literal factor x. Can you now place each ball in the correct jar? Note your observation in your lab observation sheets. Remember, any of the factors of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the other factors. Thus, the coefficient of x in minus 5xyz is given by minus 5yz. This is got by covering x. The remaining factors will give you the coefficient. Can you now find the coefficient of xy in minus 5xyz? Yes, indeed. You will cover xy and you are left with minus 5z, which is the required coefficient. Have fun discovering more about algebra as you find like terms and coefficients of literals in monomials.